Today, I'll talk about PEPE and the outlook for the coming period, God willing. The market is showing clear, bullish signs, and we've recently noticed that most currencies have formed a double bottom pattern on the weekly time frame. We previously discussed the need to monitor Bitcoin's bullishness, and with the start of the current weekly candle, we have approximately 5 days and 20 hours left, which is roughly equivalent to a full week, excluding yesterday. This week is expected to be busy, God willing, especially for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently close to the previous high close, and although the current candle has started in red, there is a greater than 90% probability of seeing a break of that high within the next 5 days, based on last week's close and current price position. It's natural for some consolidation to occur at this level, and on the daily time frame, we expect the price to spend an additional day or two at this level, after which a strong upward movement will begin. Bitcoin's bullishness is also showing clear reversal signs. Any decline in bullishness could surprise us with a strong move in cryptocurrencies. Even if Bitcoin remains stable for a day or two, cryptocurrencies are approaching a price explosion. Especially, we are in major bottoming areas. PEPE, in particular, is moving in sync with the market. It has undergone a long correction on the weekly time frame and has begun to align with the general trend. It's difficult to see the market rising while PEPE is falling. PEPE has also formed a double bottom pattern and is now in a good position to take off, except for the recent surge in Bitcoin, which forced the market to fall again, causing PEPE to retest the bottom at 40 cents. But overall, the situation is promising, and there's no need to worry. We're approaching a potential breakthrough, and all we need now is patience and confidence that the crypto season hasn't begun yet. Those with this certainty won't be worried by the current volatility or rush to exit the market. Many people dream of reaching previous highs, like $1 or $2, but we're talking about a new season that could easily break all previous highs. Price forecasts for this season require constant updating, and precise targets cannot be set arbitrarily. But reaching levels like $20 per coin, equivalent to 4,000% or more of the current price, is not impossible. There are recent coins that have achieved 40,000% gains in recent seasons, so higher numbers are very possible, especially for new coins. The problem with new coins always lies in the credibility of the teams behind them. If the team isn't reliable, the coin could be shut down at any moment. Therefore, it's best to diversify your portfolio and invest a small percentage, such as 3%, in newly launched coins, spreading your investment across several projects rather than putting it all in a single coin. What's happening in the market now is significantly different from previous cycles. A huge number of coins have been launched, requiring significant liquidity to move the market. Therefore, we need Bitcoin to rise above at least $50,000 for more capital to enter the market. As for price targets, we will set them when the coins actually start to rise. Only then can we identify profit-taking areas and warn of a pullback. Currently, the market has not broken any of the previous highs, and even Ripple has not reached its highest peak yet. Ripple, in particular, could reach $10, provided a strong bullish wave forms on the weekly time frame. However, if we observe a weak rise with hesitant candles or red candles after a slight rise, this indicates weak momentum, and a new correction may follow before continuing the upward trend. Weekly candlestick closes are very important. We must see consecutive closes higher than the previous candles to confirm the presence of real buying power. If this does not happen, the currency may need more time to accumulate or correct before taking off. If we see Ripple at $4 or $5 and it begins to show a consolidation or slowdown behavior, this is an indication of a lack of real momentum. In that case, we may decide to temporarily exit until the market regains its strength, with the possibility of re-entering later. Ultimately, Ripple could gradually rise to $10 if Bitcoin's acquisition declines significantly. This acquisition currently poses a barrier to altcoin activity. We hope to see a breakthrough soon, and we will continue to update the situation in the coming period, God willing.